Follow-up boss review. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be discussing about the best real estate business CRM that you can find. It's a solid foundation that creates your business from the bottom down. Now, if you're looking for any platform or any CRM that's going to help you manage all of your work in one place, then this is the platform for you. Now, Follow Up Boss is one of the most popular customer relationship management systems for real estate professionals, thanking largely to its ability to simplify the sales process and its numerous tools that help users to stop leaving money on the table and losing out on deals. Now, the result is that it makes it easier for agents to manage and foster incoming leads and in return, close more deals. However, if we go ahead and look at the pricing, at $57 users per month, it's not the most affordable real estate CRM on the market. So the experts at Forbes will let us know, and they have even told us themselves that it's up for you to decide. Now it's my job to let you know the different pros and cons and the different details and descriptions that platform brings you, and to obviously get into more details of that. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start a free trial off of it. Now the free trial is really simple to go through with. What you're simply going to do is you're going to add in your details, whatever they ask you, just go ahead and add it. And once you've added all the consistent details that they are requiring, we're simply going to go ahead, add that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to select your industry. Obviously, I'm going to go with real estate because that is what we're here for. And once we have done this, what we're going to do from here is we're going to go ahead and choose our country. Now, once you've chosen your country, simply click on Start Your Free Trial, and it starts creating your account. Now, it says you're almost there. Connect your email to get started. Now, what it does is it's going to basically send a verification straight to your email. So you're simply going to wait for that verification to reach. And as soon as you're provided with your email, what you're going to do from there on out is you're simply going to verify yourself. And once you are verified from there on out, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taken into the onboarding of the platform. So let me show you what it looks like. Now, what you're going to be doing is either get the verification email or go ahead with Google or Microsoft. So what we're going to do is we're just going to allow it to use all of the details. And once we've done that, as you can see, it says creating your account. So once our account is fully created and we are taken over to the onboarding, it's going to bring us here. So simply go ahead, either sign in with the Google account that you used, or what you can do is simply use your email and password that you previously added. So I'm going to go ahead and add the password and email that I previously added for myself. So once we have done all of that, simply click on login. So once you log in, let me show you where it's taking you. Now, right over here, it's going to add these details for you. Again, you're going to go ahead and enter in the phone number and password that you feel like is the correct password for you. So what you're going to do from here is simply go ahead and click on create your account. And once you click on that, what it's going to do is it's going to load you right in over here. So again, simply go ahead, log in with the account that you signed up with. And once you have done that, it should go ahead and load you up to the main page of Follow Up Boss. Now, once you're there, what you're going to basically do is, use different features for yourself and use different features as a CRM that are obviously going to help you when it comes to your management and how your platform actually proceeds to when it comes to using it with real estate. Now, you can clearly see that they say you can organize your business around one central hub. It's a home for everything, so you can turn chaos to calm and never lose another lead to go on with. So, as you can see, it is a pretty promising platform. Now, Follow Up Boss is a leading CRM designed to serve the unique needs of real estate professionals, as I told you before. It offers a wide variety of tools, as you can see, and features to help streamline and improve the efficiency of the sales process by eliminating the time consuming and repetitive tasks with automations. Now, it routes leads based on a variety of factors such as property value, zip code, round robin, and more. So, to help agents close more sales. Now, in addition to real estate specific CRM features, it also offers a number of general operating system features to help brokerages operate more efficiently as they lead on. Now, Follow Up Boss ranks as one of the best real estate CRMs that I can think of. Now, the main advantage of Follow Up Boss includes its ability to automatically sync everything and import incoming leads from a variety of sources and distribute them to the right agent that is needed for it based on advanced routing settings. It also stands out for its intuitive interface that makes it pretty easy for new users to learn, as well as its ability to automate what would otherwise be repetitive conversations using drip email campaigns. Speaking of which, it comes with email templates and pre-built workflows to help users set up different strategic automations in very little time. Now, as with any software, Follow Up Boss isn't perfect, so not surprisingly, it does have a few downsides with it. So, first of all, its per user pricing, as I told you before, gets expensive. And while it has hundreds of integrations to actually work on, it does lack some features that competitors have, such as revenue prediction, built in transaction management, and time management. It is also lacking a bit in terms of advertising and marketing tools, so it's not the best option for those who want a CRM and lead generation tool in one. Now, to talk about how Follow Up Boss actually works, Follow Up Boss, a CRM, it's created to help real estate teams operate more efficiently and close more deals. It achieves this through its variety of features and tools, such as its ability to import leads from 200 plus real estate sites. Now, while it is helpful, it's a good software that gives your team a centralized location to manage and communicate with leads. It does not offer a built in transaction management feature, which is where it also lacks. So, these are a little of the cons that you're going to want to keep in mind when you move on with it. Now let's move over to proper features that it brings you. Okay. So Follow Up Boss is not your generic CRM that is geared toward helping business manage leads and contacts. Instead, it is designed to help real estate professionals more effectively and efficiently manage their time. You can communicate with leads and increase their conversion rates. And what most people like about the CRM is that it integrates with your website as well as over 200 real estate sites, so any lead that comes in is funneled to your FUB dashboard, FUB as in Follow Up Boss, ensuring that you and your team never miss a lead. And moving on, you also get lead routing that actually pushes you forward. So after landing a new lead, a common pain point for brokerages is dealing with the lead routing, but FUB eliminates the headache with advanced lead routing pages. So for example, you can choose to automatically route leads to different agents based on a variety of factors, which can be as simple as a round robin structure that it provides you. Now, moving on, you also get great sales and communication tools with it. So, one of the reasons that FUB stands out from the competition is its advanced and near effortless sales and communication tools. It offers unlimited calls, individual and group texts, and emails, including bulk and drip email marketing campaigns. So, what's nice about the automated email and texting options is that they can help agents save time by automating messages that would otherwise be highly repetitive, such as reaching out to a new lead or following up after a lead attended an open house. You also get great performance insights to work around with. You can get, proper follow-ups on any business venture that you have taken apart when it comes to CRMs. So what sets Follow Up Boss apart? Now, where Follow Up Boss really stands out is in its seamless communication features that make it easy for agents to stay in touch with all of their leads. So the setup is extremely amazing. It's even extremely easy to use because it's a user friendly platform that does a good job of laying out features and tools so that it is very intuitive. It offers some helpful features such as automatically importing new users, contacts from their email, as well as their calendar. You can also follow up bosses, see all of its security, how it works 24/7, 365. So, who is Follow Up Boss actually best for? Follow a Boss is best suited for real estate teams that are struggling to manage leads. Unlike many of its top competitors, it offers a variety of features that are designed to help teams more efficiently manage incoming leads and streamline communications. So it's easy to see why Follow Up Boss is among the go to choices for real estate agents, with its intuitive interface, ability to create a centralized location for all incoming leads, and advanced team tools. It's a good choice for brokerages, particularly those with multiple locations given its team within teams feature. However, it's not a transaction management software out of the box, nor does it offer time management, revenue prediction, or more comprehensive built in advertising and marketing tools. So go ahead and see if this platform actually is for you. Go ahead and give it a use, give it a spin, and let me know down in the comments below what you think about it. So that's pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.